He's gone completely bonkers. Welcome back to Apsley Farms. This year we decided to do some tomato trials. They're all Sun-Gold tomatoes, all bought from the same place at the same time. And what we're trying to do is actually work out the effectiveness of our tomato feed and the effectiveness of our mulch when it's added to various things. So, to start with, we have the most expensive compost I could buy. This is a good peat-free compost. I have to say I was quite impressed. This is just topsoil, nothing in it at all with water. This is the topsoil, same stuff, but it's had our liquid feed. As you can see, it's double. Here is our ready mix, which is a combination 70% topsoil and 30% of our fresh mulch. Now that's quite interesting. You can see the difference between these two growing mediums. Here is another interesting one, because that is your ready mix and that is your ready mix with our feed. It is still flowering, it is still producing fruit, and despite the fact that it's coming towards the end of the season, it is still producing good stuff. Finally, the aged mulch, and this is the aged mulch with 25% of our fresh stuff in it. And again, it's still just flowering. So what have we learned? This against this, 4 times the fruit, and this against this. It works, guys, it works. As you can see here, when it comes to size, none of these are taller than me, apart from this kiddo. And this is our ready mix with our tomato feed. That is way taller than me. And actually that's quite something, because I am nicknamed as Lofty.
Yes, you are, Mark. Yes, you are.
For those that don't know, the cameraman's on his knees.
One of the lucky guys in our tomato experiment is my friend, Tommy Tomatillo. He gets the last bit of the dregs and he is loving it. He's gone completely bonkers. So, what have we learned? I'll tell you what we've learned. Apsley Farms products really, really work.
Anything else?
I think that's about it. Tom?